హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్లో క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 13 మనకు ఎలిప్స్ టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్ కవర్ చేస్తాడు. ప్రీవియస్ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్లో అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇఫ్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిప్స్ ఈజ్ 3 times the length of its minor axis, then find the eccentricity of the ellipse is given. Yes, see the solution. Given that length of major axis is given by 3 times length of minor axis. Length of major axis is 2 times of A, that is given by 3 times of 2 times of B. 2B is length of minor axis. Neglecting 2 on both the sides, A equal to 3 times of B. Next, here eccentricity of ellipse is required. Suppose if the ellipse in standard form, this is A and this is B origin, and you know that eccentricity of an ellipse, since eccentricity equal to root over 1 minus B square divided by A square, implies here you can write E square value equal to root over 1 minus E square written as simply 1 minus B square divided by A square, implies E square equal to 1 minus B square divided by, from star A square written as 9 times of B square, from A equal to 3B it is. Now on simplification, E square become 1 minus B square cancel 1 by 9, implies E square equal to 8 by 9, implies the value of E equal to 2 root 2 divided by 3. This is eccentricity of ellipse. Let us move to the next question. Find the equation of ellipse in standard form whose distance between foci is 2 and the length of lateral rectum is 15 by 2 is given. Yes, standard form of ellipse is given in the question. Suppose that this is standard form of ellipse and its equation in general written as x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is standard form of ellipse, and given that distance between foci, that is 2, since distance between foci is 2, focus here S and S dash, S written as AE comma 0, S dash written as minus AE comma 0. Therefore, S to S dash, the distance is AE and AE, 2 times of AE. Distance between foci 2 implies I can write 2 times of AE value is given as 2, implies A into E, that is equal to 1. This is one relation from given data. Also given that length of lateral rectum, this is length of lateral rectum L dash, and in standard form length of lateral rectum L dash given 15 by 2 in the question. Standard form L dash written as 2b square divided by A, that is 15 divided by 2, and suppose that if you simplify this, we get b square by A equal to 15 divided by 4, result 2. This is b square divided by a. But our aim is standard form of equation of ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here the unknowns a square, b square we need to find. Yes. Suppose if I write eccentricity e square equal to 1 minus b square divided by a square it is. From this you can write e square equal to 1 minus b square by a separate, 1 by a separate. Now you can write e square value 1 minus b square by a written as 15 divided by 4, next 1 by a. From this 1 by a written as e, 1 by a value equal to e. Therefore, we get the value of e, and from that you will get a and b. Yes, here on simplification e square plus 15 by 4 into e minus 1 equal to 0 implies 4 times of e square plus 15e minus 4 equal to 0. On factorization it is 4e square plus 16e minus e minus 4 is 0. 4e common e plus 4 minus 1 common e plus 4. 4e minus 1 into e plus 4 equal to 0. E not minus 4 but e value less than 1, 1 by 4. Eccentricity non-negative, so e can choose 1 by 4. Yes, from 1 a into e, that is a into 1 by 4 equal to 1, implies the value of a equal to 4. Next, from second one, b square by a, that is b square by 4 equal to 15 by 4 implies b square written as 15. b square equal to 15 and a square equal to 4 square. Therefore, required equation x square by 16 plus y square divided by 15 equal to 1. This is required ellipse. Let us move to the next question. Find the length of major axis, minor axis, lateral sectum, eccentricity, coordinates of center, foci, equation of directrices of ellipse. X square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equal to 0 is given. Yes, first you have to reduce this into standard form of ellipse, and after that you have to write all the given data, length of major axis, minor axis, lateral sectum, everything you can write after reducing it into standard form. I am going to write the given equation: x square plus 2y square minus 4x plus 12y plus 14 equal to 0. This is given equation. Keep x terms in one bracket, x square minus 4x. Next, keep y square terms in another bracket, and constant I am going to write outside. In the next step, x square minus 4x, here take 2 common, we get y square plus 6y. This is minus 14. X square minus 4x, for which I am going to add 4. When you add 4 in the left side, you have to add 4 in the right side. Next, here I am going to add 18, 2 into 9. Therefore, here you have to add 18. Now you can write this as perfect square. X minus 2 whole square it is. Next plus 2 times of this is y plus 3 whole square. Next minus 14 plus 4 minus 10 plus 18, that is 8. Now x minus 2 whole square divided by 8 plus y plus 3 whole square divided by 4, that become 1, and it can be written as x square by 8 plus y square by 4 equal to 1, where capital X is x minus 2, capital Y is y plus 3. Now I am going to write first eccentricity. Eccentricity formula root over 1 minus b square by a square, that is here root over 1 minus b square 4, a square 8, 4 divided by 8, that is root over 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 divided by root 2. This is eccentricity. Next, length of major axis, length of minor axis. Length of major axis 2 times of A. You know that length of minor axis, that is 2 times of B. Here a square equal to 8 implies a equal to root 2, root 2 written as 2 root 2, and b square equal to 4, b equal to 2. 2 into a, 2 into 2 root 2 gives the result 4 root 2. Next to 2b, 2 into b value 2, so that it is 4. Next, length of lateral rectum, third one, that is L dash 2b square divided by a, 2 times of b square 8, sorry b square 4, a value 2 root 2. So that what we get, 4 divided by root 2, on rationalization it is 4 root 2 divided by 2, that is 2 root 2. Next, eccentricity over coordinates of center. Center coordinates h comma k. Here x minus 2 equal to 0, y plus 3 equal to 0 implies x equal to y equal to minus 3. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 3. Reason, x minus 2 equal to 0, y plus 3 equal to 0 implies x coordinate 2, y coordinate minus 3. 4c. Yes, capital X comma capital Y plus or minus ae comma 0. Capital X is x minus 2, capital Y is y plus 3, that is equal plus or minus a. What is the value of a? A is 2 root 2, e 1 by root 2 comma 0 implies x comma y written as 2 plus or minus 2 comma 0 minus 3. Therefore, x comma y become 0 comma minus 3 one focus and 4 comma minus 3 other. Next, sixth one, equation of directrix. Capital X equal plus or minus a by e. Capital X is what? X minus 2 equal plus or minus a value 2 root 2, e value that is 1 divided by root 2, Therefore, x minus 2 equal plus or minus 4. X equal plus or minus 4 plus 2. Therefore, x equal 6 and x equal to minus 2. These are equation of directrices.